Hi, I'm Beth. I am the branch principal of Swansea Sigma 3. I've been with the company for 8 years now, started in Cardiff and moved to Swansea. When you start inquiry with Sigma 3, which can come through our website or chatting to your friends who might have had a Sigma kitchen, you'd meet the designer in the showroom first to show you what products we've got, different styles of doors, worktops, handles, go through what we would call a wish list and gather some information about how you live your life in order for the designer to make that space as best as possible for you and your family. From that point, we can either work from architect's plans that you might have, or we would arrange to come out to the property and actually measure the space that you've got. And then once that's done, we'd invite you back into the showroom to view the plans on our CAD system with all of the colours that you've chosen, all of the appliances you might have chosen. And at that point, if there's something you don't like or you wish to change, that's very easy to do. We can manipulate the system and you can see exactly what the space would look like. Once you're happy, we would take a small deposit. At this point, then we can release your plans to your builders and get the ball rolling with the production of your kitchen. The file for your kitchen would be sent to our technical team, who would check it all over to make sure that all the components we've got are correct, that they all fit, and that it all works in the space. Once this has been signed off, we would then arrange for your technical survey with one of our installation managers. They would come out and survey the space, make sure that it is what is on the plans and what you're expecting, and that is then signed off by you. And then we would have it delivered and installed for you by one of our fitters. At that point, your designer will check in, your installation manager will check in, make sure you're happy with the progress, regular updates to make sure that you're aware of everything. And then once all completed, we'll come out and make sure that you're happy, sign it off and take some lovely photos.